Are the sound effects in Opera GX getting a little distracting? Opera GX includes various sounds for typing, opening tabs, closing tabs, notifications, and other browser actions. While some users enjoy the gaming-inspired experience, others prefer a quieter browser. In this video, I'll show you how to disable all sounds in Opera GX. Let's get started. First, open Opera GX on your computer. Now click the Opera GX logo in the top left corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Settings. You can also press Alt+P to open Settings instantly. Once you're inside Settings, go to Features. This will take you directly to the browser sound settings. Here you'll find the various sound-related options available in Opera GX. Depending on your version, you may see options for browser sounds, keyboard sounds, and background music. To completely disable Opera GX sounds, you need to go one by one and toggle them off, like this. First, click Browser Sounds. Toggle it off. Go back and click Keyboard Sounds. Toggle it off too. Background music is off by default, but if you have it on and it bothers you, click on Background Music and disable that too. As soon as you toggle them off, Opera GX will stop playing interface sounds when you interact with the browser. This means actions like opening tabs, closing tabs, typing, clicking certain buttons, and other browser events will no longer produce sound effects. Many users prefer this setup because it creates a cleaner and less distracting browsing experience, especially when working, studying, or watching videos. Of course, disabling browser sounds does not affect audio from websites themselves. Videos, music streaming services, voice calls, and other website audio will continue to work normally. Only Opera GX's built-in interface sounds are affected. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.